Hey, this is David over at Range Rover Houston North. This is how you turn on your automatic lights so you don't have to worry about them during the daytime or nighttime on your Range Rover Sport, your Velar, your full-size Range Rover, Defender, Discovery. It's all the same. So over here on the left stock, you're going to twist this to auto and let go. And it's always going to default back to this dot, and that is how you turn it to auto for your lights, for your low beams at night, or your daytime running lamps that are LEDs during the day. If you want to manually turn on your lights, you're going to just click here. Now they're on. Then you can even turn on your fog lights there, and then your rear fog lights will turn on just by clicking this middle tab, or your parking lights here, and then off. And then this button here will cycle through all your different drive modes, or not drive modes, but your miles per gallon, your average fuel, your distance to empty, your trip. So most of my customers like the distance to empty, which is here, so 88 miles to empty. That is kind of the rundown on the stock here of the left side of your steering wheel. Thanks for watching.